Drippin' Saint Laurent, she got the perfect face.
I got a lot of things.
The deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like the answers.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So I tried a new setup this time. Let me know what you think. I am back with another clothing haul since you guys loved my previous clothing hauls and wanted a more affordable version. So I had to get my hands on Meesho, which is India's favorite app for shopping top quality products at the lowest prices ever. And I am not even joking when I say I was mind blown with the quality, especially at the prices that you get all the stuff. You get everything at wholesale prices and there is literally so much to choose from. Like itne sare. You have accessories, women wear, men wear, footwear, homeware, kitchenware, electronics, like basically anything and everything can be found on this one app at extremely low prices. And I am so excited for this video because I ordered a lot of stuff and I had to share it with you guys, of course. And you also get ₹100 off or flat 30% on your first order. So if you guys want to check out Meesho, I'm going to be putting the link in the description. You can download it from there and get your discounts. By the way, Meesho also has free delivery on all their orders. Cash on delivery and easy returns are also available, so you don't have to worry. But now let's get into the haul. Before I get started with the haul, in case you guys want to shop any of these items that I have ordered, I'm going to be putting the product codes in the description. You just have to copy and paste that in the app and you will get exactly what I have ordered, and you can order it too for yourself. Yes, I got a lot of things. So let's start with this top, which definitely has to be my favorite top from this haul. It's literally so pretty, all the pastel colors in one. This is something so out of my comfort zone because you would never see me wearing something this fancy. But I absolutely love the colors and I'm so excited to wear this top. It's basically of the net material from here, but it's perfect for summers. This top was literally for 400 rupees and I had to get this. Let me try this out. Look at that. This is like already an outfit in itself. These shorts, this top, and like these earrings also. I'm already good to go to a party. This top looks so freaking pretty and like you can wear it as an off shoulder or just keep the sleeves up, and it looks very good. I love the whole puff sleeve detailing. So I ordered a size S which fits me perfectly, and ये top ऐसे ही fit होना चाहिए. कितना मस्त लग रहा है. I'm so excited to wear this. Oh my god. Next up, I got this really pretty quad set. So basically it's a skirt and like a jacket top which can obviously be worn as an open shirt as well, or you can just close the buttons and wear it as it is. I saw this on the app and I was like, I need this because it looked so good. Like there were so many color options that I was like, pata nahi kaun sa acha lagega. And then I finally went for green, although it's definitely very bold and out there, but I absolutely love it. It's very different from things I usually own, but I absolutely love this color. And the best thing about quad sets is that you can wear it separately also. Like I could wear this with black jeans, or I could wear this skirt with like a black top and you will be good to go. And I got this for less than 500 rupees, which is definitely a steal. The quality is so good and I'm so excited to wear this outside. This is the quad set and it looks so pretty. I definitely love the design of the skirt and I'm definitely going to be wearing the skirt more often than usual. Look at that. I love the top as well. Obviously you can make the sleeves longer, but I've rolled it up and it looks much cooler for sure. Even like the top is the right amount of crop. I ordered a size L, which is the perfect size. Like even one size smaller would not fit me. Looks very pretty. Like green is such a different color yet again. I don't wear anything so colorful. Like the pura outfit is only so colorful. I have never done that, but yeah, definitely worth the money. Even the skirt is not like very short. It's a little above my knees, so that's also pretty good. Again, one of my favorites. Actually, everything in this haul is my favorite. But I got this very pretty and summery shirt. It's of the crepe material, but perfect for summers. You don't feel hot at all. It's very light and such good quality. And it has like a tie thing at the bottom as well. And like you can do so many styles with like a single shirt. And again, it has like very pretty flowers printed on it. I'm actually like so excited to wear this. Yeah, when will we go out? COVID just has to vanish somehow so that I can actually wear these clothes. I'm so excited to even go to college, and I think basically all my shopping is for college. I don't know if we're going to be going to college anytime soon, but like shopping karne mein kya jata hai? We all are so excited for doing shopping for college and stuff, and clearly street markets and stuff are not open. So Meesho is definitely an alternative for that, and actually a much better alternative because the quality is so good. And you also get flat 30% off or ₹100 off on your first order, which is amazing. If this doesn't scream summer to you, I don't know what will. I absolutely love the fabric for first of all. It's so easy breezy, and like the shirt, it's so versatile. You can tie it up like this, you can just leave it open, you can wear it loose, you can tuck it in, you can wear it as a blouse, you can like literally do anything with the shirt. It's so versatile, and I just love how this shirt looks on me. I ordered a size large, again fits perfectly, it's very loose, which is exactly the vibe we are going for. And कितना मस्त लग रहा है ये. I can like chill in this shirt. It's that comfortable. You definitely have to get this. In simple words, I just love this. Next up, I bought this really trendy black crop top, and I don't know if that's visible on camera, but there's actually a knot here, and you can kind of pull the strings up to make this a crop top. It's like really trendy nowadays, and you get it in Zara for a minimum of like 700 or something, and I got this for 377 rupees only on Meesho. So definitely a steal, and it's of cotton material, perfect for summers yet again. And I'm actually super excited for this one because I've been wanting to get a top like this for really long. You'll actually understand what this looks like when I actually try it out. This is how this top looks like. Obviously you could just leave it like this if you're going for something more loose and fun, but you can clearly just pull these strings up and you can tie the knot here. This top is ideally supposed to be fitted, but it's like loose. I ordered a size large. I should have definitely gone for a medium in this one, but still I can just make it work. I'm gonna tie the back of this. I'll knot it piche, and now it's fitted. It's gonna look perfect like that. Wait, let me do it. Looks perfect now. Like I just tied a knot at the back and we're good to go. This top is super basic, but like even this small detailing adds a lot to it. The next top I bought is again quite different from things I usually wear. It has like a floral print. It's like a very pretty and modest top. Like when I tried this out for the first time, it looked so elegant, and again it's just for 327 rupees. It's very lightweight and it is extremely soft and obviously great quality. This will look so good tucked inside like a white skirt or a black skirt or even jeans for that matter. It has this detailing in the back. Okay, I just love how this looks. Again, I have so many outfits to wear, yeah, and it's like someone just take me out. Like I love this detailing, and like this looks so pretty. And the color, like the color is so vibrant and fun. It's on the longer side, but obviously I can just tuck it in or kind of fold it to, you know, make it look more casual, but still it looks so chic, right? I love this. And I ordered a size medium. Definitely could have gone for a large, but I feel like for is top ki look nahi aati. So M looks pretty good. It's my perfect size in this top. And obviously this haul would not be complete without me ordering something that is extremely chill and casual. The last two things are like extremely chill just for wearing at home. The first up are these red shorts, and I've actually seen these shorts also at a lot of places, and I got this for only 200 rupees, which is obviously a steal for these shorts. Super comfortable, super soft, love the quality. I literally am going to start chilling in these shorts every day because that's how comfortable they are, and even the perfect size. I ordered an L. Super comfortable shorts. Like you can see they are like pretty loose. And the next one is this very casual tee. It has this symbol of the heart. Looks pretty cute. It's in this mustard yellow color, and I do not own this color at all, so I was excited to have this one too. It's a regular fitted tee and it's basically loungewear. It's of the cotton material only, extremely lightweight, and looks also very cute. So yeah, this top is definitely more fitted than I would like it to be, but we can make it work. This is literally an outfit in itself, like yellow and red, perfect combination. And last but not the least is these pair of slippers I got. It's basically this leopard print. Again, very casual slippers, just to, you know, just wear it essay randomly. I mean, obviously, how could I go wrong with slippers, right? It can be literally worn anywhere. And like this also fits my mom, so you know, we can share this. And yeah, very casual, very comfortable. Great quality also. I got a size 38, and yeah, it fits me perfectly. And you can just pair it up with like pretty much anything, even if it's casual or a little on the fancier side. You can wear this with anything. So, and again, this was not even that expensive. And yeah, that's it for my Meesho haul. Actually, I had ordered a lot more stuff also, but this is what has arrived till now, so maybe you might get to see a part 2. Let me know if you would want to see that. And as I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to shop any of the clothes I bought, I'll be putting all the codes in the description so that you can just type it out on the app and order it from there. And if you want to check out the app and order something else, you can easily download it from the link in the description, and you will get ₹100 off or flat 30% on your first order. So what are you guys waiting for? Start your online shopping now on Meesho. By the way, Meesho is also a great app to earn money by sharing and reselling products to your WhatsApp contacts or on Facebook or basically any social media platform. And if you're not looking for reselling and just ordering products like me, all you have to do is whatever you like, add that into the cart. And yes, you can only order products products from one seller at one time. So once you put a thing in your cart, you can check out and choose whatever payment method you like. Just go by the normal process, add margin as 0 and order your favorite products from Meesho. I am definitely impressed with the quality according to the pricing that they have. I'm definitely going to continue to order from Meesho because I'm getting everything at wholesale prices, and what is better than that? I also was checking out their ethnic section to see what kind of ethnics they have, and there was a lot of stuff I really like. So definitely let me know if I should do like a ethnic wear haul or like a kurtis haul. If that's something that interests you, definitely leave it in the comment section. Then I'll do that as well. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.